If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Steam account, follow these simple steps. This guide will walk you through the process to ensure your account settings are adjusted correctly. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Open the Steam client or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Details. Once logged in, click on your username in the top right corner and select Account Details from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Manage Steam Guard. In the Account Details section, find the Steam Guard option. Click on it to view your current two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable Steam Guard. You will see an option to disable Steam Guard. Click on Manage Steam Guard Account Security and then select the option to turn off Steam Guard. Follow any prompts that appear to confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling Steam Guard, ensure that you receive a confirmation message. Check your email for any verification requests and confirm the changes to finalize the process. Now you have successfully turned off two-factor authentication on your Steam account. Remember that disabling this feature may make your account less secure, so consider the implications before proceeding.